Alright everyone, I've been getting a lot of requests about toys lately because it's getting close to Christmas time and people want to start getting their accounts set up now, because if you wait, then most of these suppliers are going to be too busy to start opening up new accounts. So you want to go ahead and start getting it out of the way now. Alright, but anyway, these are some products that I picked in about the $200 to $300 range. When you get your list of suppliers and you start setting up accounts, you can go look at all of these other stuff, 50 to 100. You can go look at all that. But right now, I'm just going to start with the $200 range just so I can show you some nice profit margins. Now, you can see that I actually did this already, but I'm going to show you just these. I've talked to the suppliers, and these are running at about a 30% margin. So we'll go 266, and we'll go times 0.30, okay? And we came out with $79. So every one of these that you sell, you'll make about $79. Now remember, when you're drop shipping, you have access to thousands and thousands and thousands of products. So, and this is just one category that I'm showing you. I don't have the time to show you every single category of toys that I have listed, but I just picked this just because it was simple and I just wanted to shoot a quick video. But this list is each one of these supplies carry thousands of products, so I just picked a category because I'd be here for the next month trying to film everything. But as you can see that, you know, there's a lot of nice stuff on here, you know, and these are all in the $200 price range. Now we can always go up here and you can see that you have a wide range to choose from, all the way from 3 all the way to 13 years old. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is we're going to go and we're going to add some more to this. We're going to go and we're going to add the 300 price range. Okay, now, okay, let's go in here. Let's see. Now let's do this for $300. $335. Okay, let's see the math on that. Let's move this over. $335 times 30%. Now you're making $100 per sale. These are real good margins for toys. Now, in my last video, I was showing you with furniture and stuff, the margins are crazy with the furniture because the prices are a lot higher. I showed an example of a sofa that sells for $4,000. At 30% on $4,000, you're making about $1,200 for one sale. Now, toys, but the thing is, a lot more people are going to buy these toys, so you can sell a lot more of these a lot faster, you know. Let's see. Now these are all $200 and $300 items mixed in together. Here's another $300 one, and people don't mind spending whatever on their kids, man. People will spend lots of money on their kids. All right. Now we also have let's see. Let's go up here. Let's clear out the 200. Let's clear that out, and let's add some 400. Okay, now we have, look at this. Now we have $400 toys. Okay, now we have 3 and we have 400. Now let's look at, let's do some, let's bring this up. Let's do some math on this. Okay, almost $500. Let's do some math. Now, on this one item, we're looking at, let's clear this out. Let's just say $498 times 0.30, because we're getting 30% margins. I've seen suppliers that give up to 40 and 50%, so 30 is kind of low to me. $149. Okay, so you'd make $149 per sale. Now you have to understand, these suppliers that you're dealing with, they are the guys that are gonna get you. These suppliers that I'm giving you, you're gonna get the best prices for. Okay, that's why you're able to get 30% margins, because I do this for a living. I know where to find the best suppliers at. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's do this. Let's go with the 400 and let's go with the 500. Okay, now we don't have as many of those, but we do have them. Now look at this, $700 for this, right? $500. Now we're talking some serious margins. Okay, $800. Look at that, $800. Let me bring it down. Talking $800 for this stuff, $600. Okay. And in a second we're gonna do some math. Look at this, $1,000. Okay, now you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do some math. We're gonna do math on this $1,000 item. Let's see what would you make if you sold one of these? 1,089. Now you sell just one of these, and you'd be making, let's go with 0.30, and we're looking at $326 for one sale. One sale, $326. Now, if you add all of the other stuff that we had on there, can you imagine? And I didn't even do the Now, we did from 200 up to let's see, what was it? We started at 200. We did 200 to 300, 400 to 500. Now, we didn't even do the little small stuff just to make sales too, because you have to also look at, you have stuff that's under 50. Now this stuff isn't gonna net you. Let's go do some math. Let's just do some math. Let's just say something's $50. Okay, let's go 50 times 0.30, and we come out with $15, and that's still not bad. $15 per sale. Now, there's people who do the Amazon to eBay thing, but when you're doing Amazon to eBay, you're not gonna get 30% margins, because what you have to realize is when you're doing Amazon to eBay, what you're actually doing is, all you're doing is you're taking retail and selling. Amazon's a retail website, so you're selling retail to eBay, which is a retail website. So you might be making 5% margins. That's why when you're doing that, you have to sell a lot of stuff. You have to sell hundreds of items, and then you don't have any access to the inventory. So that's the reason why so many people lose their eBay accounts, because when you're sourcing and you're using Amazon, you're using Walmart, you're using Target, you don't have access to the information. So I mean the stock inventory. So what happens is, if you go to order something and they're out of it, you have to cancel those orders. And a lot of people get their eBay accounts banned because they cancel so many orders from shipping from all these different places. Now with these suppliers, you know exactly how much inventory they have, because they're gonna give you a list, and you can log into your account and you'll know exactly, okay, there's 500 of these, or there's 10 of these, or there's 100 of these, so that way you don't run out of stuff. Okay, now as you can see, this is how. Oh, let me come over. I want to show you something. Now let me show you the list. Now this is it's taking a little while. Okay, let me just show you the list. Now, these toys in games for Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, plus 45-day trial, 20% off Shopify for life. So now I'm gonna tell you this: if you get with Shopify, right? You set your store up, you set your online store up. You have 45 days to make money. Okay, you have a 45-day free trial plus 20% off for life. Okay, so you have plenty of time to make money. Now, if you have a brick and mortar store, you can sell your toys, and you want toys, or if you want to sell at flea markets, you can do wholesale. You can buy this wholesale, or you can have it drop shipped, whichever way you want. If you want to control the inventory and buy it yourself, do wholesale. If you want to do it where you drop ship it, drop ship it. Now I want to show you. Look at all of this stuff. This list, look, I mean, I didn't even show you all of this. All right, I have play sets, appliances, play food, all of this, housekeeping, dishes. I have tents, all different types of tents. Play mats, all types of play mats, and this is just some of the stuff. I didn't list it all. Bean bags, a whole list of them. This is just some things. The rocking horses. I just showed you some of the stuff that I cubbies and accessories. These are real nice. You know, they sell for nice profits. Let's see. Let's go down some more. Oh, look. Toy boxes and benches. Do you have TV characters, Jack and Jill, toy boxes? You have some big names. Look at this. Star Wars, Darth Vader, Disney, more Disney. Let's see, Disney Princess. I'm not sure what all of that stuff is. I'm pretty sure people who have, stuff they want to buy for their kids. Disney Frozen, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, SpongeBob, SquarePants. So you have Hello Kitty. So you have access to a lot of big name toys, and this is just some of the things, right? And yeah, then you have art supplies, all of this stuff. I didn't mean to make this video this long, but I mean, you can go through it. There's going to be a link in the description or a link in the video where you can go and you can see all of this stuff that I have. Oh, and also, I have my phone number on here so you can call if you have any questions. But yeah, if you want to do drop shipping, if you want to do wholesale, it doesn't matter. Whichever one you want to do, I suggest you go over there, start getting ready now, because if you wait too late, you're not going to be open these accounts. It's August, and so you really want to have this account open like before September. Really, I'm being serious, because, and if you want to sell this stuff on Amazon, you really need to get started now, because Amazon will start shutting things, and they won't allow any new sellers in after like September. So if you want to sell on Amazon FBA, I suggest you get in now. If you want to sell on eBay, I suggest you get in now. If you want to sell on Shopify, start your own online store. You just don't set up these accounts with these suppliers now. Do not wait to the last minute, because then guess what? Then you're gonna miss out on this year, and you're gonna have to wait all the way until next year just because you put things off. So what I want you to do is I want you to like this video. I want you to leave a comment. I want you to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be coming out with a lot of dropshipping and a lot of wholesale stuff. And so with that being said, click that link and go over there and get your list of supplies. If you need help, call me. I'll walk you through everything that you're going to need. And I'm out of here. Thanks.